Hi everyone, I'm Corey Joe or WeCJ and welcome to Commander class. In today's class we will be talking about Guildhall lands. When it comes to Guildhall lands, there is a total of 10 of them. They came out in 3 sets and they are all uncommon. The main reason they're called Guildhall lands is because in Magic the Gathering there are things called guilds, which are mainly dual colour kind of creatures and cards and stuff that are all represented by a guild of each, and this is kind of like their hall. So all of them tap for a colourless or waste, but they also have an ability due to their guild, so they're technically counted as coloured lands. So when it comes to the 3 sets that they came out in, one had 4 of them, one had 3, and then the other had 3 of the total of 10. One being Ravnica City of Guilds, one being Guild Pack, and the other being Dissension. So when it comes to this video, I will be going over each of the 3 sets, and then talking about each individual card for the set so you don't get confused. So when it comes to the Ravnica City of Guilds, there was 4 of them in total out of the 10, and it was Boros, Dimir, Gilgari and Selesnya. And each individual card will be on screen now. Sunhome, Fortress of the Legion. It's a land that's an uncommon. It taps for a colourless or a waste, or you can tap 2 a red and white and tap it. Target creature gains double strike till end of turn. Duskmantle, House of Shadow. It's a land that's an uncommon. Tap it, add 1 mana or a colourless to your mana pool. Tap for a blue and black and tap it. Target player puts the top card of his or her library into his or her graveyard. Shivgothus, the Relentless Tomb, is a land that's an uncommon. It taps for a colourless or a waste. Tap 3 green and black until end of turn. Shivgothus, the Relentless Tomb, becomes a black and green plant zombie creature with this creature's power and toughness is equal to the number of creature cards in your graveyard. It's still a land. Vitu-Ghazi, the City Tree, is a land that's an uncommon. Tap for a waste or colourless. Tap 2 a green and white and tap it. Create a 1/1 green sapling creature token. So when it comes to Guild Pack, there was 3 out of the 10 that was made, and it was Ozolf, Izzet and Gruul. And they will be on screen now. Orzhova, the Church of Deals. It's a land that's an uncommon. Tap to add 1 mana to your mana pool or a colourless. Tap 3 a white and black. Tap, target player loses 1 life and you gain 1 life. Nivik's Area of the Firemind is a land that's an uncommon. Tap, add 1 or 1 colourless. Tap 2 blue and a red. Tap, exile the top card of your library until end of turn. You may play that card if it's an instant or sorcery. Strag the Rage Pits. It's a land that's an uncommon. Tap to add a colourless or waste. Tap for a red or green and tap it. Target creature gets +1/+1 and gains trample till end of turn. And then the final 3 out of the 10 was Azorius, Simic and Rakdos. And I will be putting them on screen now and talking about them. Prov, Spire of Order. It's a land that's an uncommon. Tap, add 1 mana to your mana pool. Tap 4 a white or blue and tap it. Prevent all damage a source of a choice would deal this turn. Novigen, Heart of Progress. It's a land that's an uncommon. It taps for a colourless or a waste. For a green and blue, tap it. Put a 1/1 counter on each creature that entered the battlefield this turn. Rix Madi, Dungeon Palace. It's a land that's an uncommon. It taps for a colourless or a waste. Tap 1 black and a green and tap it. Each player discards a card. Activate this ability anytime you may cast a sorcery. So I know this class is a very short one because there's not many guild packs. There's a total of 10 cards and they're quite easy to talk about and very rarely played. So that's why I decided to just make a short class instead of going over them all, because it's one of those things where I'm going to be going all over. I'll be going over all the lands, and I think that's information that every player needs to know, even if it's a short one or not. So in next class we'll be going over gates. But as always, remember to like, subscribe, follow me on all my social media, comment down below and do all the YouTubey things that all YouTubers love, because it helps. And I really thought when I seen YouTubers say it, I didn't really think it helped that much, but now that I'm trying, it really does help. But as always, I will see you in the next video.